All right, let's look at this. We are asked to find the area of the shaded portion. And the shaded portion we have here is here. All right. And if you watch, we are not given the radius. All right. We are just given the diameter. That is, for this smaller circle, from here to here is 4 cm. While for this bigger circle, from here to here is 8 cm. So we are to find our radius and use it to find the area of the smaller, of the shaded portion. Like I said on my last video, what this thing means is that we are having two circles, smaller one and the bigger one. So the smaller one is inside the bigger circle. All right. So the area of what we are asked to find is the area of the portion that the smaller circle could not occupy. All right. And for us to find it, we are to subtract the area of the smaller circle from the area of the bigger circle. And I gave the formula that we are going to use to solve it. So let's go on to write down our formula and go ahead to solve for the area of the shaded portion. So we are going to have solution. The formula is pi open bracket big R square minus small r square. This bigger R is the radius of the bigger circle, while this small r is the radius of the smaller circle. All right, so our pi is given as this. Pi equals to 3.14. Our bigger circle, the radius is unknown, so we are not given the radius, but we are given the diameter. And we all know that half of diameter is our radius. All right, any line from the center of the circle to the circumference of the circle is called our radius, while our diameter is the line that divides our circle into two equal parts. All right, and while dividing the circle into two equal parts, the line will pass through the center of the circle. All right, now that our diameter, divide the line into two, you find your radius. From the center to the circumference is our radius. All right, so we are to divide this diameter into two for us to find our radius. Okay, so for this bigger circle, dividing 8 by 2, we are going to get 4. All right, that means the radius of our bigger circle is 4 cm. While for the smaller circle, dividing 4 by 2, we are going to have 2. That means the radius of our smaller circle is 2 cm. All right, so let's continue. Our bigger R is equals to 4 cm, while our smaller r is equals to 2 cm. So we are to substitute these values inside our formula. All right? Okay. Let's continue. This remains our formula, pi open bracket big R squared minus small r squared. All right? Okay. Our pi is 3.14 open bracket. Our bigger R is 4. So we're going to have 4 squared minus our smaller r is 2. We're going to have 2 squared. Okay? So we're going to have 3.14 open bracket. 4 squared is going to give us 16. Alright? So we're having 16 here. Minus 2 squared is 4. So here is 4. Okay? Now, subtracting this from this, we are going to have what? 12. So here is 12. Now, 3.14 times 12. This means multiplication, all right? We are multiplying everything inside here with what we have in outside here, okay? So that means we are multiplying 3.14 by 12, all right? So multiplying two of them together, we are going to have 37.68, all right? We are having 37.68. This is not our answer. 37.68 is not our answer. Mind you, I'm coming to something. If you leave your answer as this, you are wrong. Okay? Now, the unit is what? cm. If you also leave your answer as this, you are also wrong. This is not an area. There's what to know whether you are what you just solve is area. Area has square on it, unit square, all right? So for you to get the full mark, we are having square here, all right? So if you write answer like this, you are correct. So we're going to say, therefore, the area of the shaded portion is 37.68 cm squared. All right, so this is our final answer. The area is 37.68 cm squared. Remember your squared, all right? Don't forget to like this video, share and comment. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment it below. See you all in my next video. All right?